sunrise. We've got Big Tad behind the camera. Terry's in the box blind. And we've got it well documented if they come in, but this field's been hot as far as strutters. We haven't made a call yet, but we've already had 3 hens come in within gun range, so we'll enjoy the sunrise and hope those big boys show up. Here comes another hen. Oh, yeah, there's gobblers behind you, Ted. Nice Missouri gobbler down right out there. Hopefully Terry got it too. That was fun. That was awesome. You remember spring mornings for a lot of different reasons. We came in here with a goal to try and get a bird to work the king strut and the shady lady and get the remote camera. Well, these two came in, but they didn't work the king strut, and come to find out, he's probably just a 2-year-old turkey. He may be 3, but I'd guess he was 2. Anyway, it was a fun morning, a beautiful sunrise. Rained all afternoon yesterday. Turkeys were a little wet this morning, and he's even more wet now than he flopped around. But
and you really, in all honesty, didn't make a call hardly until they got in here on you. I mean, I didn't hear
very
you
little. I was just trying to get them to work the decoy because I knew they were going past. So it was just right place, right time, and good morning. Appreciate it, brother. What do you think about it all, Tad?
I don't know. Just a good morning, pretty morning, good buds and dead turkeys. Don't get any better than that.
What's on order now?
Breakfast.
Wonder how Coondog and Comstock are doing.
I don't know, but did you send them a text?
Yes.
What do you think the reply will be?
None.
None?